Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. Before I start, let me ask you one question. When you started learning English, what was the first thing you learned? Is it grammar, or is it vocabulary, or is it speaking? Do let me know in the comment. Why I asked you this question? Because many of you guys are confused. What to start? Where to start? How to start learning English? Should I start with grammar? Should I start with vocabulary? Or should I start speaking? Someone will say something. You do this. Someone will say you do that. And you get puzzled. At the end, you will say, let me take some rest. You need to face the real world. Face all the challenges. Learn to handle pressure. Learn to take the blame, not to blame others. In this way, you will learn. And in this way, you will grow. So my dear friends, today I have come up with a video. This video is all about basic things you need to learn English. So please watch this video properly because I will tell you how to start and what all things you need to cover as a beginner. So let's get started. First, what you can do? Play some video games. I have many students, believe me. They have learned the basics just by playing video games. Words like duck, words like shoot, words like kill, words like game point, end, start. So you learn so many words as a beginner. Here you start learning some vocabulary. Yes, vocabulary is the first thing you need to take care of. Third thing, learn some slangs, which many teenagers use. Modern slangs. Let me share some with you. Like OMG, oh my god. Cool. Macho. Goat. Greatest of all times. YOLO. You only live once. BF. GF. Boyfriends, girlfriends. Schlossed. It means to be drunk. So how about all this? You can pick up these words and learn. It will improve your vocabulary. My dear friend, you are learning now. And the next step is you need to learn some daily English words which we use on a regular basis. Words like now. How to use now? Call her now. Never. He never plays cards. Words like seldom. I seldom drink milk. That means I hardly drink milk. Almost. He almost cried. Rarely. I rarely eat meat. Early. They came early. Later. I will arrive later. So in this way, you can learn some basic words and how this word functions, where to use. You can learn all these things. This is the first step to improve your English. The second step, learn some basic verbs for daily use. This is important. You can learn words like hate, means dislike, buy, to buy something, sleep, walk, run, pull, push, ride, laugh. So these are the basic words, basic verbs which you need on a regular basis. So go through this. Once you are fine with all this, move on to the next one, where you will learn 2 words English phrases. Yes, double words English phrases like be quiet, be calm, finish it, don't move. What else? Who knows? Slow down. Come along. Clean up. That's amazing. Leave it. I disagree. No problem. What happened? Who else? In this way, try to learn some basic 2 words English phrases. This will seriously help you. Let's move on. Once you're done with that, Learn 3 words. Daily use sentences. What will happen when someone speaks, you will be able to understand. So, what are this? Like, I eat breakfast. She reads books. They play soccer. He writes letter. We watch movies. The dog barks. She sings songs. Learn. It may take 2 days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. But don't give up. Make a routine, make a timetable that this is my time to study English. Focus, concentrate, and I can tell you, you will learn a lot of things within few months' time. Let's move on. Here you learn some everyday phrases, which is like, or expressions you can say. It's on me. What does it mean? It means I will pay this bill. Drop me a line. It means text me or write me. See if I care. Means I don't care at all. Go Dutch. Share the cost of a meal. Butt out. Leave me alone. So learn all these things. This will enhance your English vocabulary. Once you know all the basic stuff, now it's time for you to start improving your listening skill. Listen as much as you can. Listen to some audios, watch some videos so that you understand what they talk. Once you improve your listening, it is time for you to speak. You start speaking. If you don't have anyone, speak to yourself. Talk in simple words, small sentences. Talk about your daily work, talk about what you want to do in life, but you talk. Slowly you see, at the end of few months, how nicely you can speak. One thing I want to tell you, when you wake up in the morning, this is very important. When you wake up in the morning, always keep a thing in your mind that I am the winner. I am born to win and I am the winner. Always feel that and start working on your goal. You will achieve your goal very soon. So I wish you all the very best. See you again.